together. So this webinar will be recorded and later on will be uploaded to our YouTube channel.
All right.
So today we have two charts: the 5-minute chart, which is the main chart, and the 1000 volume chart, just to have an idea what's going on with the volume and how much volume
we got. Right.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Because yesterday some members of usadailytraders.com asked for the 1000 volume chart, so today we are showing them. All right, and the main chart on 5 minutes.
Okay, so we got the economic calendar for today, which is the Thursday, May 12th. All right, so we have a news right now. The news is going on, and then we have slightly news at 9:45 and 10:30. So we are ready to go.
All right, let's see what's happening for the last hour.
Okay. So what do we have today? So what is the major trend for today? Does anyone know? What do you guys see?
All right, guys. Anyone?
Right, the major trend is
going up.
Yeah, it's going up. Let me look at the higher time frame. All right. So this is the yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday chart. All right. So we traded the downside, but we always were mentioning that the trend is upside, and the targets that we mentioned were 45.60 and 45.80. So the targets from yesterday, all of them, they were filled.
Yeah.
So for those of you who haven't been to our yesterday's webinar, you can check that. It's been recorded and it has been uploaded on our YouTube page.
Yeah.
Okay.
So today we are looking to buy for 10 ticks or even sell if we got the right sign up. So let's see what's happening today, right?
Okay. So the upper side, what do we have the target on the upper side of the market? Okay. So
all right, it touched at it touched at 46.92. So we got two more, another try, and if the third one happened to break that 46.92, we know we got the confirmation to get in for 10 ticks on the bullish side, right?
That's right.
It happened very well for the last hour.
We had a successful trade on European session, so we made like 37 ticks.
Yep, it's uploaded on the YouTube channel. You can watch it later.
On the upper side of the market, and this trend is continuing, but we are not going to take a trade until 9 a.m. hits, because that might change the trend and might change everything. So we are just going to watch close every tick of the market, and we are going to see the reaction of the market toward that time frame. So we are seeing tendency for the price to go up. All right, so
yeah, let's see what's gonna happen with this news of right now that's happening.
Right, we are seeing a trending channel high. It's still confirming. So we see here the price grab it. What time? 9 a.m. 9 a.m. European session. All right, sellers tried once, seller tried twice, and then it turns out to be a range type of day in a bullish trending day. All right, so a range between the trending channel high, or as we used to call it, the range highs. Okay.
Alright, so what we have is today. Jobless claims at 8:30. Okay, this is happening right now. Also, it's the import and export side. Okay, at 9:45 we got Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index, and then EA Natural Gas report at 10:30. Alright, we got some
Alright, so this
volume.
Also on the 1000 volume chart, it is respecting that area of 46.69 or 68, as you're seeing here. 69, 68. Okay, but we love to see this 5-minute chart.
Okay.
All right, so the tendency is for up. Maybe the momentum could be for the downside, but the overall trend is upside.
It's up.
It's up. Also, it's 0.43 46% up for today. Right?
Yeah.
Are we gonna trade? Are we gonna take a trade yet? Not. We're just gonna watch the market until 9 a.m. hits in. Only if we see a good opportunity that we can't leave it. Otherwise, we're not gonna pull the trigger. All right.
We see the last hours it was going just up. Like every time it goes down, the buyers are buying these lows, as you see on the chart. But we don't know what is gonna happen in 9 a.m. Maybe all this is gonna change because it's happening slowly, right? It's going up, but it's going slowly. It's a trending day, bullish trending day. We call it bullish trending day. Already know it, I guess.
Yeah, you're seeing everything that is sold out is bought out by the buyers, and it's most of the candles are green, even on 5-minute chart, also on the 1000 volume chart. Okay, we're seeing this respected zone of 46.70 is being respected, and let's just see what will happen.
We got a small range on last 15 minutes. You see, you can see that on the 1000 volume chart. These candlesticks closing above and below EMA 21. All right. So this candlestick here, we see they try to keep it above EMA 21. So they keep just for a little bit, but this wasn't surely position to that we got at the right side to get up. So they failed. This one, the second one, they tried again. This was very strong, but it was a trap for the buyers. So we got another doji here that it failed, and we got a very strong red candlestick. This one too close below EMA 21, and we got another one on green and red, and we got this one. It's more sure that they want to get down. So let's just watch this one in 1000 volume chart. But if you look at the 5-minute charts, it's a green one, right? So that's why we don't know what's gonna happen soon, because we got two different charts, and mostly they always tell the same. But right now, it's, as you see, it's green and red. So which one you get in, you may be wrong, right?
The market is respecting that channel highs, so we should not obey too much on that trend, okay? Because that's you're seeing for the last couple of hours, or from the beginning of European session, the price try to go up and went down a little bit, try to go up and down, and so on and so forth. So this has been repeated too many times. So we should see a breakout in either side of the market, and that's the area where we are interested to be. All right, so that's the train that we are interested to catch. So once we catch the right train, we are on a good journey to go.
Can you check out how much ticks it moved today for the upside?
Ah, yeah, sure. Let me rule this. All right. So we see we are taking the 9. Okay.
Yep.
High to low. Let me just, sorry. Okay. So 83 ticks. We have a move from 9 a.m. We like to check this one out. So the average, it's 83 ticks on the upper side.
Yeah, for like 4
like
hours.
Yeah, the last 4 hours. Okay. But 9 a.m. will define the trend. As yesterday you saw that we were on the right. We told you guys where the trend is. We told you guys where the overall goal of the oil were yesterday, but we just used the momentum entries to get short, and we got our targets on place, and we got almost filled.
Yep.
We got like 24 ticks, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Just to keep you on the journey. And let's see what today is gonna bring. All right, the potential, the momentum is up, but maybe we might see a different approach when the 9 a.m. hits in.
Yeah, we traded 15 breakouts long on crude. It was a failure, so for 37 ticks, right? We got that on YouTube.
All right, let me just explain what we did during that time. All right, can you play this?
Yep.
In the other screen? So we use the 950, yeah, 46. All right, so here we got in, just to tell you the reason why we got in here. All right, probably here.
Yeah, that's
or here. That one, yeah. So we got in here until here, 46. What was it? 47. All right, so the target was here. All right, so we pulled the trigger perfectly in here, or right here, right on this failure from the sellers. All right, and we aggressively moved up. We had a little bit of a slide down. All right, then we hit our target, our second target. So the first target were hit immediately, which was 10 ticks, and the second one, which was 29 ticks. Also, I think it hit like it resisted a little bit, but we got on profit. We got like 27 ticks out of 29. So we didn't want to be greedy too much on that. So we just grabbed the profit.
Yeah.
All right.
We still got that red candlestick on 1000 volume chart, which I don't like, and it's getting also in another chart, a 5-minute chart, guys. Okay, can you see this one, please? Okay, this one here, right? It's very suspicious that it can go up. Alright, so it closes below EMA 21, and it's a green one. Okay, so we got another one on Ferrat. Right, this is very suspicious. Something's happening, maybe because of that news. But also we got another news in 15 minutes. Right, let me check again. Okay. 1 second, please. Yep, it's a 9:45. On 9:55 we got another news. Maybe it's at that time we already will be trading. We will be in any position. But if nothing's happened till there, so we are going to wait that news. The Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index, right? But then later it's EA natural gas report, because I think we will be done by that time, right? I hope. And I hope we will be on the right side today, same as yesterday.
All right, I'd like to see what potential targets we may see for the downside. All right, let me just mark them. The horizontal. Okay, so here we got resistance.
Okay.
See the 15-minute chart. Okay, so okay. So once this area of 46.52 is breached, we may consider selling the crude oil. 51, yeah, 51, 52. Yeah. Now the target should be like 46.14, and in between we could take like the first 10 tick target, and for the last target we could consider this 46.13.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
What do we got here? Can you see the 1000 volume?
Sure.
Okay, can you move it on the... Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it happened.
It's good.
But I was watching on my other chart and this one was not moving. Sorry guys.
Right, so we're seeing it's been respecting this area of 46, 62, 60.
Yeah, it's not
63. Right, it's not breaking that. Also on the 5-minute chart, this trending channel of the lows and the highs, it's been respecting. So we should just wait and see.
Yeah, as you see on the channel, it didn't break this one, same as in the 1000 volume. As you see, it's not going below 46.60. Also, you can see on the 5-minute chart that it still didn't break this channel of the bullish trend, right? Once it break this channel, so we got more chance to get at 46.21. I mean 51. So we know we are on the low side, no, the bearish side. We gotta sell these lows.
Until then, we could use our strategies to buy the lows and sell the highs. So we could use this all the day today, like buy the lows here as I did and sell the highs from here to here, and do it the same here. You know, buy the lows here. You're seeing the resistance from the buyers on the sellers, so they couldn't sell the price low. So you could buy this one here and also sell it here till here, and so on and so forth. But that's not gonna last forever. No. So we know that crude oil tried to go sideways until 9 a.m. Then the 9 a.m. jumps in, the professional traders jumps in, and they define the trend of the market.
Just see this one, guys. It's very interesting. If it breaks this channel,
right? We could consider that selling like at this point here. But the ideal setup would be like the EMA going right here, and this one breaking here and trying to go up here, and then we could consider like selling from here. Potential targets here, right? Should measure this candles and see the resistance, right? Can you do that on the other chart?
Yeah.
Please. Thank you.
Right.
We're still holding it. Guys, we can't do anything about it. Alright, we're not here to overtrade or to force a trade just because we want to do so. Alright, sometimes the market doesn't give us the opportunity to get in, so that should be it. We have days like when the market goes sideways and they just doesn't move, you know. Like you saw yesterday, we had the report, right?
Yes.
The 10 a.m., 10:30. What was the major news? Yeah, petroleum report, status report, 10:30. Yeah, that's the big volume came in, you know.
Yep.
And that gap that previously were created, it got filled. As I can show that, if you don't mind, I can show that here. All right, so you're seeing this big green candle happening during the 1 hour time frame. You know, it just filled all of this.
Yeah.
All of this that happened during several days, like, you know, all of this got filled within 1 hour. All right, so you're seeing how big the report, the news, the importance of the news.
It was very beautiful for the traders who trade demand zones and supply zones. So as you see, it was working very well this week.
Yeah, we warned that. You know, all the time we were telling you how the trend is and where the target is. You know, if you just see our previous webinar, you could see that where we marked the first target. The first target was this zone, this resistance here, and the last target was this resistance, I think 45.60, or if I don't know exactly, 45.70, 80. That's what we just told you guys what should happen. And but we took our first trade successfully, so we didn't plan to go any further.
Yeah.
All right. So we didn't want to overtrade that day of yesterday.
So let's wait for the day again to do the same.
So 8 more minutes. Yeah.
And we got a direction.
All right. Let's just see how far that will go. All right.
Okay. Okay. We touched at that channel. 5-minute lot. Okay. It breathed for one tick.
46.62. Right.
And it just touched. Okay, now it's moving. We got some sellers here.
All right, I just like to place my orders.
Order pending.
My pending orders here, and just in case we are seeing that our signal is given, then we just jump into the market. All right, can you check out the other chart, please?
Yep, 1 second, please. Right. We got some sellers coming in right now.
Can you check how strong they are? What's the moving average for that one chart? We have 824, so 50. So 150.
How about during the day it's all buy?
Okay.
We are going for 10 ticks in any way, so it doesn't matter for us. Right?
All right. So get ready, guys. We're just watching closely. There are sellers jumping in. All right. We may consider going short.
We got a position. We got the confirmation.
Okay.
Order filled.
So we got the confirmation, and the stop is at 46.70. 46.76. Right.
76. We got the stop out.
All right. So the first target is 10 ticks. On the second target, we'll try to go with initially 46.13, but let's just see how strong they are. All right.
Yep.
So that's gonna happen fast, or we are out.
No. We got 4 minutes to go.
So it's 40 ticks, 42 ticks, right?
Yep.
All right.
So it breaks this channel on 5-minute charts also.
All right. So you're seeing the 10 tick the first 10 tick target is placed correctly on this resistance.
Yep.
So once we achieve that one, we break even, and then we swim trade for the second target.
They are going to touch it. So 46.45. You can see this another candlestick below VMA 21 that it was at 12 a.m. You know, we told that before that this is a Europe time, the chart, all right?
But that should happen before 9 a.m. All right. So otherwise, we can't stay on this trade for longer than 9 a.m. because that might
3
change.
minutes to go. It can jump very fast, you know, guys. But just wait.
All right. Let's just see the 1 minute. How strong they are. The 1000 volume, how strong they are.
1000 volume, it's pretty well. We got 3 candlesticks below EMA, but they all started to go down, and it was beautiful.
It's closing good. Let's just see this 1000 volume.
It's like a doji. Okay, we got still more. Good. 420 contracts. Okay.
Let's just wait. Let's just wait to see how strong they are.
It gotta break this 46.52. All right.
Okay. Let's just see.
They took it. I think the sellers, they will run this one.
Let me rule the risk.
Okay. We are on the right side.
All right. So the risk is not much. So we have a ratio of 50% risk on this trade. Yeah.
That's 21.
21 with 42. All right.
We are still with the money of yesterday, even if it got stopped out. So this is the beauty of it.
All right. You saw it like it went like 4 ticks on profit.
Yep.
Right.
It touched 4 ticks.
So we should just get ready and see this 1000 volume, how it's closing. All right. We can't risk this. Okay. 2 more minutes, guys. We'll define the. All right.
Okay. Alright, guys.
Good.
It's moving 4 ticks and minus. Let's just wait.
All right, let's just wait 1 more minute. Okay, we're good to go. They are either gonna finish it or so the 9 a.m. we'll finish, guys. We'll finish this and we'll be out of this trade. All right.
Yep.
So let's just wait 1 more minute.
I really like this chart, how it's going. It's a 5-minute chart, very good of selling.
Okay, so we are seeing seller pressure, and once we achieve the first target, we go on break even. Acknowledge that. All right.
It's good so far, entertaining, right?
So that's where the
1000 volume, it's risky. It doesn't look well, but I believe more in the 5-minute charts. It got more better signals.
That's right. That's right. That's what I like.
Forming a small channel of a bearish trend, the last minutes of the last 13 minutes, right? It was just going down. Come on, guys. These sellers are not showing any strength. They are very slow right now. They gotta do something more if they wanna take this one, right? They break that channel.
All right, let's
The
just see
biggest one.
how strong they show this. All right, yes.
Was a trending day of a bullish trend for the last four hours, and it didn't break that channel. And once it did, they are not taking it. But it's very nice to watch it, guys.
We're ruling this one 41 ticks. All right.
41 ticks.
So it was 80. How much was the upper side? You could see this. Yeah. I think they are. It's the time for reversal, guys. So if we stopped out, we can't do anything about it. The trade was on profit for 5 ticks, or yeah, exactly 5 ticks. So that's where the risk
that will get in by the news.
All right. So the stop is tight on this trade. All right. Normally we should use like the stop of 26 or 36.
Yep.
But
now we got some really strong buyers.
All right. That's maybe just the time for the reversal time before they jump in on the sell side. But
this one is very strong.
let's see how
the sellers, they got it once. I don't know what they did.
All right, so the 1000 volume chart is showing some strength on the buyers. So we have aggressive buyers jumping into the market, just buying these lows.
Yeah, they saw it was just going up all the day up.
All right.
So why not?
Let's just see how strong they are.
Yeah.
Do they have the chance to go straight, or they will resist?
I don't know. It's always because of the news. There was no sign up to get, but to start buy this thing. You saw it, guys. It break the channel. That was very strong confirmation to get in. But you know, people, there was a lot of amateurs trading, and once they see some news, they think they will attack like that, and they do stuff like this. It just get some orders, buy some contracts. So that's what's happening right now.
All right, so I think they are gonna take this. Let's just see. All right.
Okay.
Let's just see this 5-minute candle, how it finishes. I think they just took it. All right, so 21 takes on minus for today. All right. So it was 5 ticks on profit.
Yep.
Good luck this break even. Good luck those 5 ticks because of the news. We just didn't want to do that because of we had a previous successful trade which was 37 ticks. So for us it's on break even for today. But you know, we signaled that, and we took it. We took it aggressively, and the buyers and the news made it sell. But this doesn't define anything. You know, it's like a 5-minute candle closing very aggressive.
Okay.
All right. So we could consider buying this after reaching this 46.92.
92.
Let me see wider. Okay.
It's going to touch that for the second time, I guess. Get another confirmation to get in?
Sure.
Yeah. I think we should.
All right, I think they are fighting tight on both sides. Okay, we could potentially look at as a buyer opportunity.
Order pending.
All right, let's just wait and see.
Okay.
So 1,000 volume saying that the price has tendency to go up. All right, we're not sure yet what's gonna happen. Okay, we just have to stay put.
Okay. Checking these charts.
All right, stay put, guys.
Just stay and watch this, guys.
Okay. What I like to see as a buying opportunity.
Yep.
Price moving above this higher high, previous high. Okay.
What have we got on 5-minute chart?
All right. So I'd like to see the first try and the second try
The
closing higher than the first try. Okay. So I'd like to see the higher top formation.
So we can buy that.
So you're seeing here every time they have respected higher highs.
Can we rest this one? Buy it up for the 6.82.
Yeah, that would be aggressively. We could buy that one until like for 10 ticks, but not more. All right. But let me check the 1,000 volume what's telling us. Do we have any strength from the sell side? No. Check out the other sheet.
They will not taking anything. They did not do it.
So much.
It was there. Yep.
But if you take this one, the stop should be like at 50, 49.
Should buy this one.
All right, so let me get in. Okay.
Order filled.
We're going for 10 ticks, guys. We're only going for 10 ticks. All right. All right, and even if we see that this zone, this resistance is holding, then we are gonna break even until. All right.
Yeah. Okay, guys. What about the 80? That's over.
All right, I think they are taking it. Okay. Let's just see how strong they are.
How it goes. This candlestick right now. Let's see that we got some volume, so it can finish very fast. That our way out 46.92. Okay. We still got 5 minutes. Also in 9:15. It always moves. If the sellers they want to take it right now, I don't see any sign or anything that it should go down. There is no reason to get in as a seller. I really don't know what's happening right now. But it's gonna if it wants to go up, it has to touch it once again. So it's the second 46.92.
All right, so I'm paying close attention to this one, guys. I'm playing pretty safe here. All right. If that zone is
respected,
is respected, then I'm all right. I'm out. All right. I'm break even. I'm +1. Either they are gonna take it or not. All right. I'm not gonna risk anymore. All right. We'll try to get in later on. All right. So it's +1, and we just stay close.
Yeah, it's all right, guys.
We should respect some. All right. We should respect some zones here. All right. You saw that we took aggressively here, and it went 5 ticks on profit, and the news came in, and you know everything.
It was a trap, you know.
Yeah, it was a trap. It was a stop round out.
This after the second try to get this thing up, then we got a really strong confirmation to get in. We wanted to buy this still there, but it was very risky, so we got out on 1 tick profit, and also lost 21 ticks. So for today we are 20 ticks on minus, guys. I hope you understand how it's going and how it was it.
And you see it is respecting that area. It is pretending to respect that 46.90.
Yeah, if it doesn't, it's gonna come and get down. That's again those, because it
Alright.
tried once, we got 2 times trying.
Alright, we could consider this buying aggressively, but I'd like to see a second confirmation. Okay, so we can just stay put. You're seeing the first target got hit. Would have filled. Yeah, but risky. We just didn't know how strong the buyers are. All right. So sometimes they just show you that they are going, but in fact they are just trapping you down.
Yep.
So we just don't want to be part of that.
Let's see, 2 more minutes.
Okay. Let's see how strong they are on this 5-minute candle. What they are showing on this chart is, on this 1000 volume, is only green. Yeah.
There, you touch it, just touch it.
All right. Let's just see.
All right.
So you could go like for 10 ticks from 82 to 92.
Yeah, we tried to do that. Look. No, I just touched it. Now we got some serious buyers. They are going to take it right now.
Exactly.
Okay, let's see in 9:50 minutes.
So you're seeing the sellers are failing on this 1000 volume chart. All right, but even here this zone has been respected, or has been breached once, but we don't know yet if it's going to be respected or not. So once they breach for the second time, then we have the confirmation that we can go long, right?
Yes. But still, we should respect more the 5-minute chart, not the 1000 volume. You know, we use them just to see how much volume we got, and it's good sometimes for some candlesticks or some signals, but usually it's a 5-minute chart. I think they should try again and let us get in for long.
We've seen this weak hanging man closing on that respected area.
Let's see what's gonna do. It's 9:15, guys.
Should see some reversal. It's the reversal time.
You see some active, not just this. We got some volume, but as you see on the chart, it's not moving that much. It's not affecting anything on the 5-minute chart. Alright, we don't have anything more to do except to wait. And let's see this another one. If I got strength to get above.
I think they are showing some strength. Okay.
Okay, I touched it once, so this is the second one. It's moving very slowly and it sounds risky, right?
Exactly.
They are still not that sure if they want to get this thing again up. Today so far it was good. It was a good day. We were on profit 37 ticks, guys. Lost 20 in this live trading room, so we are still 17 on profit for today. As you say, usadailytraders.com, we are on profit, but for the live trading room, we are on minus. So what we are looking to do is to get on profit for this live webinar, right? Not for ourselves, okay? It's for you guys.
And this is only for demonstration only, so we don't suggest you trade with the live accounts, and this is only to show you how we do it and how the perspective we show you the potential.
It was very entertaining today, that
alright, so
20 minutes ticks. It was very good how we got in, and we respected everything, the channels, the volume, the candlesticks, everything, and it still got us out, right? We respect that trade because it was not our fault. It just was what markets does, right? So it's not a big deal. It happens sometimes.
right, I think this time they're gonna take it. Do we have any confirmation we have seen?
Something like this. Maybe more. Okay.
What do you see as
we can get it. One tick more than that. Yep. Go.
Order filled.
Okay.
Catch it again.
Good.
We are going to be long on this trade, guys. I want it. Yep.
Okay, it's respecting it. It's good. Can you consider 200% as a potential target? It's respecting it. Alright.
168. 91. Okay. What do we got? Alright. It's moving. We got some serious people, some pros trading right now, and it's going beautiful. I love it. We got in exactly on that area. 2 lots. Okay. Come on, guys. Okay. Come on. Respect it, guys. You know how we do it? Come on, buyers. I was against you before, but now I'm with you, right? We just go where the money it is. Come on. We need more than 2 ticks. Just lost 20. Come on. It's very entertaining to watch this when you are in a position, especially with a lot of shares. Lots. 4 or 5. Okay. 4, 3, 4, 3. Come on. We need more than that. Come on, guys. What do you think we're done? What do we got here? Are we staying long on this one?
They need to show some strength.
Yeah, but it was 5 ticks, as you saw.
Okay. Right, do we have time? Any news? Anything?
No, not yet.
Good. We're good.
We got at 9:45 the Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index. It's very far away.
Either they're gonna finish until 9:30 or they're gonna go down again.
They are sure respected. They are trying.
Okay.
If it reaches that one, they are going very up. It's gonna be a very good trade.
Okay. should have, you can set the best one. Okay, good.
They are respecting. They are doing what they know. You know what they are known to do. Come on, they are professional traders. They will take this one. No one, everyone is afraid to take this trade in these times. In this short. We need to jump very fast. Take the first target and okay. Alright. Still not moving. Maybe 9:30 will bring something for us. Or for the sellers. Just let it move. Sometimes I get bored when the market does this thing. I like a very active chart. Oil is very active chart. Very good market. But it goes days like this. It goes. Alright.
Right.
We got another 5 minutes. This candlestick. 5 minutes. That's still 2 minutes to go.
Seeing this one. All right.
Just 1000 volume chart. They are just moving above EMA 21. Even the red candlesticks and buyers, green and red. It's not telling anything. 1000 volume. This is bad at 5 minutes. Just touching that 5 takes some profit and nothing more.
Alright, so now they are showing some strength. Once we achieve the first target, it's going aggressively. We could look like on break even, alright? Could we go on break even right now?
Yep.
Alright, so we are free trading, guys. So we're not going to risk any more money, alright? They are either going to take it. Alright, hopefully not. Okay.
It's one candlestick on green, one on red, one on green.
Okay.
What are they doing? Okay, come on, go. Go, 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 go. It's a good go. Oh, that's beautiful. 3 more ticks. Give me my first target. Come on, oil.
Stop filled.
Okay, guys. This is how it didn't work well. We got some sellers right now trying to play this thing. We got 47. Okay, 93, 92. It's not our lucky day as it looks. Alright, was nice. Touch at 47.02. We could get out on that one, but we were so close to our target for 3 ticks and it didn't happen, so let's see what's happening right now. Okay, now it's going down. You see, guys, it was a very smart move that we got out. We were so close to the first target for 3 ticks, but it didn't happen.
Okay. It's good, it's better.
But it was a smart move to unlock that ticks.
Alright. The momentum is up, but we can just watch it close and see if they want to try again or not. But this time they are gonna finish that. You were seeing they are making the reaction of the market today is they are making higher, higher. You know.
Yeah.
So we just saw that the momentum was up, but you know the volume and everything was choppy to tell us different.
For it respected our position, right? We had like 3 positions or 2.
Yes, the second one.
Okay, the second.
Okay, guys, we play sometimes we play too safe, but there is nothing wrong with playing safe.
Yeah.
For the market. The market doesn't respect you how much experience you have or how much knowledge you have, so it always you're betting against it. Okay, either you love it or you don't.
Yeah.
You can consider this. There is some type of gambling involvement on it all the time.
Yeah, it's kind of gambling.
Okay, because you were betting against it, against you know you cannot forecast the future. I mean, you can predict the future by analyzing it by.
But you can't know what's gonna happen. That's the problem. What trades we took today, guys, is so we first were on profit, and we knew for some ticks we were very sure. As you see, we always get at least 5 ticks on profit, but you know, guys, we go for 10. And we want to trade for ourselves. We often we take 5 ticks and leave, like we get with 3 lots or 4. That's some good money and fast money. But when you do it for YouTube and for you guys, we always try to make it down. Okay?
All right, still the perspective is on the upper side of the market. All right.
Order pending.
So we just play safe. All right. You can see like some resistance, as I just told you. This area here, right? All right. So it's been breached. Okay. So this time they are gonna take it if they want to go upside. All right, and then we are gonna go with that. If not, then everything else is gonna be turned opposite.
I think that more will happen with the Bloomberg news in 50 minutes.
Yeah, 9:45 will define the trend and will give us some volume and everything. No, this doesn't mean that we are gonna get in long at 47.84. All right, this is just to make us easy to execute our trade.
Yep. I still think the market is going slowly today. They are just buying all lows, you know. Every time it goes down, they buy that. No, I saw all those candlesticks and Wow. One green, one red, one green, one red. That tells us they are buying lows. It was very good day. Bullish trending.
Okay. That was a smart move getting out on break even, you know. For some of you could be like taking profit like 5 ticks, 7, was it 7 or 5? Almost 5.
Was still 47.02. We had our first target at 47.05, 04. Okay.
Alright, so like it was like 7 or 8 ticks on profit. Alright, so that the objective is on you guys. You set your own goal, you set your own objective, you go for 10, we go like for 10 ticks minimum. Alright, we either go 0 or 10 ticks. So we sometimes we respect our goals or our objectives.
Yes.
Alright,
It's up to you what you decide to do when you get in a position. Where is swung? Good. Red candlestick right now? Come on. Let's now they want to sell it right now, but it's very risky right now to get any position. Come on. We got some volume, right? On 1000 volume. 1 doji, 2, 3 dojis. It moved very good. 27 ticks down from 47.02. Very good for those people who shorted. And very risky. I don't know how they did it. They probably didn't. They saw it's not going any up anymore on the upside.
52. Okay.
So they took it as a short.
Yeah, potentially we could see like 30 to 35 ticks down and then still be bullish. Alright. So it all depends how strong the buyers are and how strong this zone is respected. You're seeing here it has been respected, right?
Yes.
So this lows has been respected and every time they are touched, they are bought up. Alright?
Yeah, we have
that's
1,
the same.
2, 3. We got 3. And they now if they can take it down for 3 times, they can't take it at all. I think. Yep. But they are not taking it up too. Just second time they tried to get this thing up and they still didn't do anything. Okay. Alright. Too strong red candlesticks. The third one it's happening. As can we see the volume?
Alright. They are creating a channel lows here.
Okay, let's move. What is happening?
Okay.
No.
Oh, this is making us
one. No, you always see the other chart. No?
Yeah.
We should check this one that is on live webinar.
Okay. I think they're grabbing it. It's good. Okay.
Order cancelled.
Let me cancel that order first. Alright, so we can see better and clearer. I think I think even in 1000 volume chart they are going down, and they are not showing any strength. Buyers are not just showing anything here. Okay, it's too difficult and too risky to short here. You could short like here until here, but is it that resistance gonna hold or not? We don't know yet. All right.
Yeah, if you want to take it aggressive.
If you want to take it aggressively, this trade, you can take it like up to here. I think this zone is being not respected, and is being breached, and you can see the momentum of selling this.
Yep. Right. Can we get an order right there?
Let me see the other chart. I think let me see the other confirmation. All right, and also we have the news, so we should execute this trade before the news.
Yeah. The ticks also now put it. Yep.
Right.
63, 55.
You know, it's too difficult, man. It's going straight down. All right, we need to see some confirmation. Also,
We got the confirmation of EMA 21 on 5-minute chart.
all right, let me check the 1000 volume chart. It's telling us. Right.
I will take the 46, 55.
Yeah, if you take like 46.
55. 55. It's going to make into gap. So again, the order will happen fast.
Order filled.
All right. So we are going short. The stop is 46.81 this time. All right.
No, I think we should get it higher.
Let me calculate that. Oh, higher, high. All right, at least here.
Yep.
So that should be 93. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
So guys, this time we're gonna go long. We're gonna go short, and let's just wait and see. So the momentum. Sorry. Can you confirm the lower targets?
Yeah, right. Got
Right.
36. We should pass the 36.
Okay. Good.
What's our target for us?
All right. 5, 4, 5.
45 of it's ours target. Got some strong, very strong sellers right now.
Target.
All right. So the first target got filled. Beautiful. All right. So can we break even this one?
Yep.
Okay. So now we are going for the lost target, which is quite good.
Yep.
So the lost target is 41 ticks. All right. So let's see the momentum.
If it does happen, if done, we will stop out on break even, or we get some ticks. Can we get 5 ticks?
No.
Okay, let's just do it for the guys. 5 ticks. Okay, luck 5 ticks.
Okay.
Now if you lose 15 ticks, okay.
So 50, right. So
right.
it's 5. All right.
Yep. 5 and 10, 15. We got it more 16.
Yep.
So we are going to be 4 ticks on minus for today, guys.
All right. So
which I think it was very entertaining so far.
We are either going for 41 ticks or only finishing the day with 5 ticks on minus.
Yeah, but you see, we got we can cancel this and we can get 10 ticks
and break even and go break even today, right? For you guys, for the webinar.
We are doing for you guys, so we can get our lost ticks back.
Right, let me just check this.
But this is for you guys.
We want aggressively, a little bit aggressively, but yeah.
Yep.
It was worth it. Yeah. 55, 35, 50, 14 ticks.
I say it here, you know.
All right. So we are out.
All right, guys. I said it has to touch the 46.36.
Alright, let's just see the confirmation of the channel has been breached and the target stays still the same. Alright, so for those of you who didn't want to trail that one, you could just leave your stop losses here at okay.
Order pending.
So can you just keep track of recording?
Yep, we will still record this.
Okay, we're good.
Alright,
beautiful day.
We got 3 more minutes for that news, right? Let's see what's gonna bring us, if we can get another trade.
Okay, so far so good. Alright, we are playing safe to safe. Alright, there is nothing wrong with playing safe, trading safe. Alright, for a couple of ticks, like 10, 15 ticks. Alright, what's 15?
Yeah, 15, 16, something like that. I'm not that good with numbers.
Okay.
I always forget them, you know.
Okay, the aim is to get in, get out, and close the position, and you know, be safe. You know. You're seeing the reversal, the 42.
Yep.
Okay. So now the news.
All I wanted it just to touch that 36. I wanted the confirmation that 55 it was very good.
Yeah, exactly. It respected that.
We took more ticks at 44.
So you see 52.
Yep.
And then 55.
Yeah. This was exactly what happened.
Yep. All right. Awesome, awesome guys. Third. Awesome.
Fourth.
Just
now after this candlesticks on 44, on 45, when is the news?
Jason is asking, do you guys, how many trades do you usually? Jason, we trade only one trade. If that's successful, then we end up the live trading room. But since the first trade was on minus, I mean, it was on profit for a couple of ticks, but then it turned, the news jump in, and then it went opposite. So that's why we took another trade and another one. So like we
3 trades for today, guys.
3 trades. Right?
We are what? 5 ticks and minus.
Yep. So the overall trading for webinar for today is on 5 minutes, 5 ticks on minus. All right.
Yeah,
so
this one we got the second one was 5 ticks on profit. You left it at 5 ticks, right?
Yeah. On the other one, 15. So 15, 10, 15 ticks. 15 ticks on profit. 21.
One was the other one. Another 1 tick. 5 ticks on minus for today, guys. It was very entertaining so far. We are still looking for another position if we got the right confirmation. So stay here.
We're just paying close attention to the market right now, and let me just calculate the lower targets. I mean, sorry, it's the vice versa. If this is the end, then we will have the other one. Right, so 100% is here. 46.12. Okay, so 46.12 is first target, and the second target is 46. Okay, let me mark this. So this is the resistance. This is the power zone. Right, so the news is out, I guess.
Yep, news is on, guys.
But this is just a slight news. It's not gonna move the overall market. All right, if the tendency is to go in the same direction, so we just can grab the move. All right.
Yeah.
This candle closing right below EMA 21 and closing, it has given us the good signal to go short once again, and we are just using the momentum for
order filled.
Couple of ticks. All right.
Yep. This is news trade.
Okay, can it go up to here? Can you calculate the stop? It's 46.82. Okay.
I don't know. Oh, it's understood.
Good.
Good. Now let the news do their thing. Right. Let me see my other chart. Alright guys, we are still here. We are just watching the market, also watching the other charts, the stuff we do, so just stay here. We are waiting on this one. Alright?
Alright, potentially we could see like a reversal type before they jump in. On this time, probably they are going for 46 for sure. So the target stays the same. We just have to be ready and steady.
Right.
Alright, so I think the 10 a.m. will finish that. Alright, it's gonna either finish them or potentially we'll troll the stop once the first target will be closed. We're gonna place our stop losses at this at this pivot high. Okay, so we're not gonna risk anymore for this trade. Okay, since it has been quite a while. Alright, so now it's either gonna go and finish them or so staying close. Alright, so the risk is reduced to how much? Actually no, I'm placing. So it's 20 ticks. Okay, not much. Alright.
Get the 1000 volume please.
Sure. Alright, everything is good. Seems to be perfectly lined up. Alright, so they are gonna take this time. Okay? We're not risking it. We're not risking it, guys. We're going on break even, right? Alright. So we're going on break even. Let them finish. Let them finish.
Come on guys.
Come on, one tick. Right, not filled.
With just respect.
Alright, so the first target got filled. Okay, beautiful. Alright, now we go spin trading this position for another, how much? 32 ticks.
32 ticks.
Awesome.
If it goes, so if you respect that 46.30 zone.
Okay, so now we are on break even or +5. So the overall trade is 5 ticks on profit for today.
5 ticks on profit and very entertaining for you too.
Okay.
It was very risky today, guys. This is solid. I hope you guys understand everything we did today and you think that we got a point and everything we did was alright, even the last trade. I hope you guys are happy. Anytime you are ready, just come and join us at usadailytraders.com or membership and let's trade together. Alright, let's look another 5 ticks on profit. 40 at 40. Yeah.
Alright, guys,
one.
we're just looking at another 5 ticks on this while trailing the stop
so
loss.
we are on 12 ticks profit right now on this, but there's one lot, just 100 shares. It's still good.
Shares.
Yep, 1,000 shares. Sorry, 14 ticks, 15.
Alright.
We can lock another 15. Okay.
Alright, let it go 20, and then we're gonna look another 15 ticks. Okay.
Okay, 31, 30, 30.
Alright, let's just see.
Just let it at 30. It's alright.
Okay. Okay, beautiful, guys. Beautiful day.
This is it, guys. 21 ticks on profit. 22.
Alright.
23. Okay, can we lock it at 25?
25?
Yep.
No, actually, we're just waiting. 25?
25.
25, the final answer.
Yep.
Alright, the final trigger is 25. Alright, we are either going for...
Stop.
Alright, 25.
Okay, guys.
So you guys calculate it for yourself. The profit, the entries, the exit, everything else. So that would be it for today, guys. This is
20 ticks with one lot, and 10 ticks with 200 with 13, right? 13 ticks on profit, 31 ticks on profit, 20 on lose. So we call it a day, guys. I hope you like it as much as we did. So this is it, guys.
So thank you and see you tomorrow. For those of you who are members of usadailytraders.com, see you tomorrow on our regular time. Okay, for those of you who are interested to subscribe to our
YouTube channel,
to become a membership, you know, it's you can just shoot us an email. Thank you and see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
I think we have a question. Thanks, I like it. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Gary Bounce, and thank you, Mr. Joe J. Beijay. All right. Yep. So you're seeing the target almost got filled, and you're seeing that it is being respected. All right. So everything we took, you know, we just took it aggressively here for a couple of ticks, and then it moved up. And this is the powerful signals that we have at usadailytraders.com. All right. And the strategies we use, the price action, the the momentum trading, on
aggressive trades, and everything we expect on the chart. This is it, guys, and see you again.
Bye.